Have you ever considered a raw food diet? This is not just a passing fad or a trend, but a lifestyle choice that has been embraced by many around the world. Raw foodism, also known as rawism or the raw food diet, is an alternative diet based on the belief that fruits and vegetables consumed in their raw state can offer more benefits to our bodies. This doesn't mean that everything you eat has to be uncooked. In fact, it's a common misconception. The reality is that most raw food advocates argue that you can reap the benefits of the raw food diet by ensuring that 80% of your meals are consumed in their natural state. This diet often includes unprocessed and organic foods, which are believed to increase energy levels and overall well-being. So raw foodism is not merely a diet, but a lifestyle that many have embraced for its numerous potential health benefits. So what makes the raw food diet appealing to health enthusiasts worldwide? The benefits are numerous, and they reach far beyond the simple pleasure of enjoying fresh, unprocessed foods. A raw food diet is often celebrated for its potential to improve certain health conditions. For instance, it's been said to work wonders for diabetes and skin diseases, bringing relief to many sufferers. These diets also champion good digestion and are instrumental in supporting weight loss. But it's not just about what these diets can do for your health, it's also about what they avoid. Raw food diets typically have a lower sodium content, while being high in potassium and fibers. This combination can make a significant contribution to overall health and well-being. Indeed, the potential health benefits of a raw food diet are quite impressive, but it is important to approach it with a balanced view. This lifestyle change isn't for everyone, and it's crucial to assess your own health needs and goals before diving in. However, like any diet, the raw food diet is not without its challenges. Transitioning to a raw food diet can sometimes cause detoxification-like symptoms, especially if your previous diet was heavy in caffeine, meat, or sugar. It's not uncommon for individuals to experience side effects such as nausea, cravings, and even headaches. Certain groups need to exercise caution before adopting this diet. Those at risk of anemia, osteoporosis, and pregnant women should avoid the raw food diet. There's also a potential risk of nutritional deficiencies. A raw food diet could lead to a lack of calcium, proteins, and iron, essential nutrients for our bodies. It's important to remember that while the raw food diet has many advantages, it also comes with potential drawbacks. Hence, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making such a significant dietary change. While the raw food diet has its advantages, it's crucial to be aware of its potential drawbacks and always consult with a healthcare professional before making such a significant dietary change. So, is the raw food diet right for you? It's a question worth pondering. If you're intrigued and want to give it a try, remember it's all about balance and gradual change. Start by incorporating more raw foods into your meals, perhaps by having a fruit salad for breakfast or adding extra veggies to your lunch. There's no shortage of resources out there to help you on this journey. Numerous websites offer a plethora of raw food recipes, from simple salads to gourmet raw dishes. So don't be afraid to experiment and discover new flavors. Remember, everyone's body is unique. It's important to listen to your body's signals and consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. They can provide personalized guidance based on your health history and goals. Whether or not the raw food diet is for you, it's undeniable that incorporating more fresh, unprocessed foods into your diet is a step towards a healthier lifestyle.